Good morning, everyone. The next topic that we come to is preparing the provision for depreciation account. Now, I am taking illustration 4 for this purpose, but at the same time, I won't be taking the GST into consideration. Okay? So, just leave this portion out. We will be taking only the amounts. Kamath had purchased a machine of rupees 1 lakh, right, on 1st October 2018. Another machine was purchased for 60,000 by check on 1st April 2020. Depreciation is charged at the rate of 10% per annum by straight line method. Accounting year is closed on 31st March. You are required to pass necessary journal entries and close the accounts. Right, and you have to prepare the accounts for the years ending 31st March 2019, 20 and 21. Now we are going to prepare the machinery account and provision for depreciation account. Okay, now in case when we prepare the provision for depreciation account, this is the second method. The first method was when depreciation was charged to the asset account itself. In that case, we deducted the depreciation in the machinery account itself. Now just see here, on 1st October in machinery account, machine is purchased on 1st October 2018 for rupees 1 lakh. Now we are not showing depreciation in the same account. We are just showing the value of the machine. Balance carried down 1 lakh. 1st April 2019, 1 lakh, balance carried down 1 lakh. 1st April 2020, 1 lakh. Now on the same date another machine is purchased for rupees 60,000. So by balance carried down 1,60,000 and 1,60,000. Okay. Now we are going to prepare provision for depreciation account, or which is also known as the accumulated depreciation account. Now we are going to show the depreciation in this account. Right, so it will start from the liability side, since this is a liability, right, nature. So by depreciation on machine 1 for 6 months only 5,000. Balance carried down. अब ये बैलेंस जो है ना ये accumulate होगा, depreciation का amount add होता रहेगा, ठीक है. To balance carried down 5,000. By balance brought down 5,000 था पिछले साल का depreciation. इस साल फिर प्रोवाइड होगा बाय डेप्रिसिएशन मशीन 1 10,000. नाउ बैलेंस कैरी डाउन बिकम्स 15,000. दैट इज इट इज एडेड, इट गेट्स accumulated. अब 15,000 ब्रॉट डाउन हो गया. डेप्रिसिएशन फर्स्ट मशीन पर 10,000, सेकेंड पर 6,000 लगा पूरे साल का. टोटल डेप्रिसिएशन 31,000. हम जितना भी डेप्रिसिएशन है वो ऐड कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे में, ठीक है. हर साल वहीं पर मशीनरी अकाउंट में माइनस नहीं कर रहे हैं. वी आर नॉट डिडक्टिंग इट इन द मशीनरी अकाउंट दैट सेम ईयर. वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग अ सेपरेट अकाउंट इन विच द अमाउंट ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन कीप्स ऑन accumulating. ओके. इन डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट to provision for depreciation by profit and loss. Provision for depreciation next year it was only 10,000, profit and loss में डाल दिया. Provision for depreciation 16,000 by P&L account 16,000. Okay, right. Now the journal entries. In case of the journal entries, in case the provision for depreciation is prepared, right, machinery account IGST paid 1 lakh हो गया. अब डेप्रिसिएशन टू प्रोविजन फॉर डेप्रिसिएशन होगा 5,000. P&L टू डेप्रिसिएशन 5,000 फॉर द फर्स्ट ईयर. सेकेंड ईयर डेप्रिसिएशन टू अगेन वही प्रोविजन फॉर डेप्रिसिएशन, दैट इज जितना अमाउंट डेप्रिसिएशन का उतना हम प्रोविजन में ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे और फिर P&L में डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट को ट्रांसफ़र करके क्लोज कर देंगे. एवरी ईयर दिस entry will be passed. Okay, another machine purchased. अब थर्ड ईयर में हमने दोनों मशीन पर लगाया डेप्रिसिएशन टू प्रोविजन फॉर डेप्रिसिएशन 16,000. P&L to depreciation 16,000. Okay, now in the balance sheet how we are going to show? As on 31st March 2019 1 lakh minus 5,000. उस साल सिर्फ एक लगा. 31 मार्च 2020 को मशीनरी अगले साल 1 लाख माइनस 15,000, टोटल डेप्रिसिएशन कितना हुआ? 15,000 हो गया। बुक वैल्यू माइनस टोटल डेप्रिसिएशन। 21 टोटल वैल्यू थी 1,60,000 माइनस टोटल डेप्रिसिएशन फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ परचेज टिल दिस डेट, राइट? दिस विल बी द वैल्यू. Thank you.